want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these items to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. It's February and we're celebrating Black History Month with Barbie. Mattel sent us this box and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's open it up and take a look. There's a card. Barbie is proud to honor and celebrate the Black community during Black History Month and all year long. We remain committed to celebrating authentic Black representation across our doll lines. In our content, Barbie recognizes the important role fashion plays in driving cultural representation and self-expression. In honor of Black History Month, Barbie is shining a light on the statistic that Black designers make up only 7.3% of the fashion industry, despite the community's significant influence on fashion. We are proud to partner with the Black in Fashion Council and contribute $25,000 to support their mission of creating systemic change in the fashion industry. In partnership with BIFC, Barbie identified 4 female-founded Black businesses to highlight their story and share their products. Let me say, I love when Barbie introduces me to new brands. I have found so many products that I love and continue to use. So I am very eager to check these out. And I better do it before Bella visits because she takes all my makeup. Hydrating moisturizer. Ooh, and it's vegan and has turmeric? I love me some turmeric, y'all. This is a perfume. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. That's a nice looking cap. Oh, and I like that. This one is kind of a warm, sweet smell. The box says caramelized apple, spun sugar. Yeah, I get that. Blurring balm powder. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this little mini spoon. And we got this colorful robe. It is so soft. I am totally going to be lounging around in this and checking out a few dolls. So let's set up our Barbie-inspired closet and take a look at the rest of the dolls in the box. Like Barbie Fashionista number 225, celebrating 65 years of Barbie with this inspired look. When I first saw this doll, I thought she was cute. She's a curvy Barbie. I body swapped her to a made-to-move body. Out of the box, she has brown hair with lighter brown highlights. I sat down and twisted all of her hair. I love a good protective style. And she still has some little curls at the end. Barbie Fashionista number 229, Barbie partnered with the National Down Syndrome Society to create a Barbie with Down syndrome. This doll has braids, painted edges, wears pink glasses, has brown eyes, a toothy grin, wears a blue and yellow dress that represents Down syndrome awareness. The 3 arrows represent the 3rd 21st chromosome and symbolize moving forward and rising up. And she wears a pair of pink shoes. Since this is a Barbie Fashionista, this doll has the basic 5 points of articulation, just like this Ken. Cool picture in the packaging. This is a swim doll or a beach doll with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. He comes wearing blue fabric swim trunks with a singed edge. I like his haircut, and he is not shiny or pixelated. Barbie/Ken Fashionista number 235 is a little shiny. He has sculpted cornrows, wears an orange and white jumper that velcros in the front, haired with green slides. Here is Barbie Brooklyn from Barbie Mysteries: The Great Horse Chase. We love horses around here, so a little equestrian attire is always welcome. We reviewed this Brooklyn a few videos back with her riding helmet, braids, painted edges, brown eyes that are not pixelated. This doll wears a top with printed details and a sewn-on pink bow. There is Velcro in the back. She wears pink riding pants with an elastic waistband and tall black boots. This doll does have more articulation than a Barbie Fashionista, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. And she has Brooklyn's athletic build. We can find diversity and representation with Barbie playsets. This is the Barbie Baby Doctor, taking care of them babies. When a girl plays with Barbie, she imagines everything she can become. And with 250 plus careers, there are a lot of options. The Barbie Baby Doctor comes with a station that looks like it has a little scale on it, so the doctor can weigh the baby. The top is kind of a salmon color, and then the base is green. There's a printed background underneath and a plastic arch with Barbie in clouds, a little heart, and some little toys hanging down to keep the baby entertained. We get a Barbie baby in a fabric diaper. The arms can move and so can the legs. We get doctor instruments. It looks like this one can be stored right here. The included doll comes with a silver stethoscope. We get a small yellow cloth and a white bottle. The included doll has straight hair with a center part, brown eyes, a berry lip color. Her outfit is one piece. The top has 2 shades of pink with hearts and a printed pocket and mask. The pants are a solid pink, have printed pockets and a badge. There's a pair of gloves in the back and scissors on the side. The doll has white shoes and the basic 5 points of articulation. And we can pair this playset with other Barbie playsets to expand our nursery. I do wish that the color palettes went together a little more, but that's just me. Well, this one has purple and there's some purple there, so there are some similarities. Speaking of color palettes, this Barbie Deluxe Style doll is giving us pink, pink, and pink. This petite Barbie has pink and brown braids, pink and black sunglasses, a pink bracelet, pink makeup, a pink fuzzy 2-piece outfit, a Barbie ring and pink purse, and pink heels. She can move at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, hip, and knee. And this year, Barbie celebrates the 45th anniversary of Black Barbie, created by Kitty Black Perkins. On the back of the box, it says that in 1980, she created the Black Barbie doll so children could see themselves represented and reflected in the Barbie doll line. I bought mine right when they came out and put her on a made-to-move body. I think she is gorgeous. I love the way they did her makeup. There's a little touch of copper on the eyelid. She comes wearing a red dress and has a gold and red painted bracelet. I love when Barbie paints details on the accessories. And last but not least, I am so excited for this one because I didn't think I was ever going to get this doll. So without further delay, here is the Barbie signature AALIYAH doll. Insert screen here. I grew up watching and listening to AALIYAH. So thank you, Mattel. This doll was one of my must-haves. To commemorate the 30th anniversary of AALIYAH's debut album, Barbie pays homage to the Princess of R&B. She wears an outfit inspired by the look from her 1 in a Million music video. She's got the dark hair with the side part, sunglasses where we can see her eyes through them, and oh wow, love her eyes! They are brown with smoky eyeshadow. Love the lip color. Looks like it has a little bit of a gloss to it. And the bottom lip is lined. She wears silver-colored earrings that are removable. She has a faux leather vest with a zipper detail, matching gloves with the hands out. There is black cord wrapped around the arm at the top. Under the vest, she wears a faux leather top with silver details, black cord, and mesh. It velcros in the back. She has matching faux leather pants. They are hemmed at the bottom, and she wears a pair of black shoes that go past the ankle. Her nails are painted black. She can move at the head, shoulder, bend at the elbow, the wrist, hip, and knee. I think they did such a beautiful job on her face. Love all the details in her clothes, the layering, and she has a belly button piercing. I can't get over how much I love the eyes and the lip color. To me, she looks just like AALIYAH in a Barbie world. She is totally going on the shelf. I don't know who is getting kicked off, but we're making space. I need a made-to-move body, so I have to look through my dolls to see if we can find a match. And that's a no. Not quite. What about the Barbie soccer player body? I don't think it's going to be a perfect match, but let's place her in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water. Hot water is hot. You have been warned. The warm water will soften the doll's head, and then we can just easily remove it. Here she is on the soccer player body. Not a perfect match, but not terrible. Here she is on a blue tie-dye made-to-move Barbie body. Again, not perfect, so it looks like we're gonna have to go with the best we can do. I want to swap the hands as well, and it looks like the blue tie-dye might be the closer match. I warmed the hands in hot water, and then I'm just gonna brace the wrist and pull out the hand. There we go. While they're still warm, place them on the new body. And we did a hand swap. And yeah, not too bad. Since this is a Barbie signature doll, we also get a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand. In my perfect world, all Barbies would come on made-to-move bodies. But I'm not gonna complain, because I love that we can finally add AALIYAH to the shelf. I think representation is so important because when you're out there trying to make a mini, it's good to have options. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few Barbies in honor of Black History Month. Thanks, Mattel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.